My name is Marcin Waligora. I have been working with MTN since March 2023. My role is to establish MTN Software Solutions. It's a new company that MTN is building. The sole purpose of it is to insource tech talent into MTN. So we build software for our internal needs, better, faster, cheaper. I have over 20 years in experience in technology. My previous stint was with Citibank, 17 years, where I've built software across multiple domains, multiple countries, multiple continents. In the current landscape, the business needs everything done quicker and faster on a daily basis. At the same time, the environment gets more and more complex. So the tech needs to keep up with the space, right? We have to adapt. We have to figure out how do we build something that on one hand, we can deliver quickly, but also reuse in the future. And it's a very difficult balance to strike. I think we've been doing this successfully. Our focus has been on kind of microservices, micro front ends. We're leveraging Gen AI when we can to speed up our development process. The entire purpose of all of this work is to simply help accelerate the business reach their objectives. The most important thing in this space is talent. Any initiative will live or die solely on the shoulders of people building the solutions, right? So I really wanted to find a pipeline of talent coming into the company to ensure that we're successful in growing. Additionally, looking at the demographics of African continent, I felt very passionate we should really start working with young people, and given the history of the country, also helping people from kind of underserved communities to get their foot in the door in the industry. It's a really great industry to be in, but it's difficult to find that first job. So it all came together with We Think Code, and what really impressed me is about kind of the process by which you gather the applicants, how you support them, how you teach them, how flexible you are with overall kind of learning mechanisms. So all of that spoke to me very highly, and that's why since day 3, we are constantly amazed by the quality of the people coming out of the program. I think there is some secret sauce there that we don't know what it is, but we're very appreciative of it. We are on a daily basis very impressed by the level of growth of the people that came out of the program. We have people right now finishing up their year 1, and I'm extremely proud of these young women and men of just starting, being obviously at the beginning overwhelmed because MTN has a fairly complex environment with managing companies, multiple operating companies across the African markets, and these young people just crushed it and continually do so. I also appreciate the fact that there's a hunger in them to get stuff done, to kind of be recognized for the experts that they are growing to be. For me, the tech skills, which are very important, are secondary to things such as hunger for knowledge, aptitude of getting stuff done, collaborating with others to, I'm blocked, please help me out. Those are, I think, even more important than core tech skills, because fundamentally the technology will change, but how you solve problems, how you collaborate, how you build software together will not change. Area that the interest went in, whether it's API development, automated testing, they have been consistently praised for their delivery. Even if they get stuck, they just push through to get the job done, and I'm continuously amazed. But on top of that, on top of the technical work, for example, they worked on a magazine, Women in Tech magazine, eZine, and it was just on top of everything they've been doing. So it's not only the technical successes, but also just how they embrace the company and how they are going beyond just the bare minimum to get the job done, but just saying, how can we further help? And I've had cases where someone was working on 4 projects at the same time, and they are saying, I still have some time in my day, I would like to do more. And we have to tell them, please, you need sleep. So it just, that continuously amazes me, that just wanting to get more done is absolutely amazing.